Definitely cool. We are cool people.
Really cool. It's broken. It doesn't work. I cannot fix it. So, there you go. If you get one of these, and it looks like this, broken. Dad, I was doing this like all day yesterday, like seriously all day. And I think I've got it worked out, so I'm gonna solve this one now. I did! Woo!
Look guys, last move.
I feel like I'm like a mile off. Oh wait, that was...
Oh, I did it! Oh! Oh! Just doing that for sound effect to make it both.
One of my main, quite important but fairly useless goal for today is to finish this cube in 60 seconds or less, and so far have not been doing that well at it. A minute. I did it in a minute. I need to get better than that by Friday. Hello everybody. I'm here with my friend Dwayne.
We're not friends right now.
We are mortal cubing enemies right now. This last time is going to be the real time. Whoever does the best this time is the winner.
I'm good to go.
Ready?
Ready? Go.
Set, go. What? Fuck off! No. No.
Damn it, that would have been a record.
I'm finished.
Nice.
Now, since you're twice as good as me, I think you should play on a cube twice as small as mine.
You can't even move.
So I was bullying.
I still think I can win. Oh, this is ridiculous.
Colours aren't even right. Like,
It's bullshit, bro.
you good to go?
No, but okay.
Go.
I have fat fingers as well. What are you doing? This is not fair.
I did it in a minute 24,
Yeah,
which is kind of crap. You don't look like you're too far off, actually.
finished.
Wow, you really didn't beat me. I really didn't beat you by very much.
Yeah, that was the worst.
Thanks for the game. Okay, ready, go. Woo!
37. Well, I'm gonna try and solve it again to see if I can
Solve it again before I finish mine. Oh my god! I suck so bad!
Give him the 3.
Ha! Got you!
Oh, you won.
I won so good.
So good.
You suck. Thanks for the game.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Definitely cool. We are cool people.
Really cool.